So here we have a drone, and this drone consists of four thrusters. One, two, three, four. And these four thrusters, they can exert forces. It can be upward force or it can be a downward force. So our goal is to use these four thrusters to operate the drone and reach the target. And the target is going to be this one over here. So let's try to do that without using any neural network or AI. So let's hit play. And before I try to operate the drone, I would like to show you the controls. So if I press Q, that's the first thruster. If I press W, it's the second thruster. If I press A, that's the other thruster. And if I press S, that is the other thruster. So that is how it works. So let's try to operate the drone by turning on all of the... Okay, it flipped. Yeah, it flipped. So let's go back to our scene and make sure that it's not flipped by setting the rotation to 0. Okay, I think that works. Yeah, so yeah, it's pretty hard to control. As you can see, I flipped it again and I cannot control it with my keyboard anymore. So it's very hard for a human to control the drone without any PID controllers or stabilizer. So we already have a neural network setup. I trained this drone using reinforcement learning, specifically the PPO algorithm. I have no clue how it freaking works, but it does what it needs to do, and it gets the job done. So that's what it all matters in the end. So now we're gonna run the neural network, and we're gonna hope that the AI is gonna be able to reach the target. So let's hit play. And our target is stuck beneath the floor. So let's go down and pull it up. And as you can see, our drone is able to reach the target pretty effectively. By moving to the right side, the drone is slowly going to make its way to the left side. And it's pretty interesting. It's very wobbly, and that is something that I can fix as we keep on training it. I can set up a reward system and penalize it whenever it is not stable. Okay, so it's slowly making its way, it's descending, and then it's moving towards the right as well. So it's pretty good, I'd say. If I move it to the right, sorry, left, it's going to make its way. If I move it up, it also is going to move up. It's going to ascend to that target location. What I have not trained it to do yet is to consider large distances between the drone and the target. Okay, so it did reach its destination at the end, but it took him a very, very long time. And I hope this is something that can be fixed as we keep on training it with different scenarios and different rewards. So yes, that's gonna be it for the video. Thank you.